Hello and welcome to another update video about render. So on the render chart, we have seen a little bit more downside today and quite a bit of a downside actually. And the chart, as you might recall from the previous videos, doesn't inspire much confidence really that a low has already been established here around the 5th of July, 12th of July, somewhere there, because really it's just been moving sideways. So we've just seen sideways action on the render chart pretty much, and the price action to the upside, the momentum we've seen also is a bit weaker than what we have seen on other charts in the last couple of weeks or so. And also to the downside, I can easily count this move up that happened as a fourth wave. It is a 3-wave rally, and one more low could test the price area around $5.20 to $5.05 in wave 5 of C of the larger fourth wave. From somewhere here, we could then watch for a potential 5th wave bounce to the upside, which might take the price to $23 overall. But either way, there is no confirmation yet that a low is in place. The box support here for the larger fourth wave can still be used to potentially look for positions. But bear in mind that the rally from the 5th of July low isn't clearly impulsive. It's not clearly bullish. It definitely still allows for further downside. And if you look at this, it would need a pretty immediate turnaround to the upside to, let's say, to preserve the yellow scenario. What's the yellow count? The yellow count assumes we've bottomed already. There are a couple of problems with this chart. First of all, the initial 1-2 setup, well, the wave 2 moved down very, very strongly, retraced nearly 99.9% of the initial rally. And then here the current third wave, it is also moving in very choppy structures, this third wave to the upside. And that's the main problem here, that the wave 2 retraced so much. And then also, due to the choppy structures, this can only be a diagonal, so we cannot really trust diagonals at all right? So we cannot really trust diagonals, and because of that, unless we get a reversal here and break above the last high, I'm focusing on the white count, okay? I mean, even here the yellow count says alternative. A break basically above this last high at $7.25, that would be the first indication that the yellow scenario is playing out, meaning that we've already bottomed on the 5th of July. Some coins could have bottomed on the 5th of July, absolutely. Some actually have formed already 5 waves to the upside. Render has only formed 3. 1.5 really. So the third wave would still be unfolding here because it wasn't long enough. So some people might call that a third wave, but it only really barely moved above the wave 1 high. Not a reliable wave 3 and very questionable wave count. So I'm in favor of another low. The market can prove this assumption wrong. I mean, both counts are plausible. It's just that there is absolutely no evidence really for the yellow count. It's a possibility, it's a potential, and you can watch the red trend line maybe. I mean, it did act as a breakout scenario to find some support here from above. I mean, it is something to watch for potentially, but I think what this really tells us that should the price get into that area around $5.20 to $5.05, it is worth watching for potential support and a possible reversal attempt from there. That's about that about render. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.